Welcome to Me Fit Mama, your blend of bodyweight strength training and dance fitness, made for mums at any age or stage of motherhood. I'm starting with a quick tutorial. If you want to skip it, feel free to just skip it long. It's sweaty. Move number one. 1, 2, double. 1, 2, double. 1, 2, double. 1, 2, double. That's it. Move number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, cross. Above your head, smash! 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, cross, up, smash, out, in, cross, cross, up, smash it! Move number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ow, 1, 2, yay. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's also a bridge for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we keep going until I say run. Lift our heels. I'm just going to run, 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 run. Let that jiggle go, girl. The more jiggle, the better. And we run until we go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes! 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, double. 1, 2, double. 5. 1, 2, double. 1, 2, double. 1, 2, pull the side. 1, 2, cross. 1, 2, round 8. Yes! Let out some rain. And back. Down, up, up. Yes. Nice. 1, 2. Nice, girl, keep going. 1. Yes. To the side, let's go. 1, 2, yes. Cross, give it everything. 1, 2, yes. Oh my God. And back. And down. Back. Down. Nice. Punch it. Double. Nice. Double. Ooh. Make our way to that bridge. Up. Come down. Nice pulse squats. We're going to bring it home till the end, okay? Let's run. Come on, keep going. We've got this. Faster. Come on, bitch, let's go. I'm going to go to the side. Let's go. Cross. Yes. Cross. Cross. 1, 2, cross. Woo. And back. Nearly there. Well done, girl. Well done. Oh God, I need to lie down.